Dear students, if you all remember, in our last class we were discussing the questions related to cube root, which were related to Comet. And today we are also going to cover Comet only, but today we will be discussing the more challenging part. In more challenging part, the question number 1, which was given, was question number 9. In that, you have to find out cube root of 1728. And just now in the previous question which we were discussing, we have also find out the answer was directly 12. So we will simply write it down 12. And as you all know, in the answer it is telling 4 multiply by blank. Now you are knowing which number will get multiplied with 4 to give you 12. Can you please tell me which number can you multiply with 4 which will give you 12? किस नंबर के साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? राइट, you multiply 3 along with 4, then only you get 12. So that is why your answer will be 4 into 3. Now move on to the next question, question number B. It was written here, cube root of 216 multiplied by 64. So you are knowing when you talk about 216, which is the cube of 6, 64 is the cube of 4. So the number will become outside 6 into 4. And in your answer, it is written 4 into blank. So you are knowing 4 into 6 you write, or you write 6 into 4. Both are exactly similar. So it means you can simply write it down 4 into 6. So the second question will give you 4 into 6. Now move on to question number C. It is cube root of 125 upon 216. That means you are knowing 125 is the cube of 5 and 216 is the cube of 6. So answer would be 5 upon 6. Students who have written the answers in the chat box are absolutely correct. Your answers are right. So this question number 9 is completed. Question number 10 is little different. I am not telling exactly different, it's little different. Please listen this question carefully. A metallic rectangular cuboid of dimensions 4 multiply 6 multiply 8 is melted and some more metal is added. Some more metal is added to make it a cube. The measures of whose side is an integer, what is the minimum volume of metal to be added, and what is the size of cube. Now students, please, if you have heard this question thoroughly, you must have read the word what metal should be added. यहाँ पर it is not written what should be multiplied, it is not written what should be divided. So ये question please do not solve it like that as you are solving what should be multiplied, what should be divided. ठीक है? Because आपका इसी टाइप का सेम क्वेश्चन आपको एक एनसीईआरटी में दिया था, क्यूबॉइड्स कितने मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, so you will get a perfect cube. That type of question I have only taught you from exercise 1 it was. ठीक है? So it is little different from it. We have the dimension of metallic cuboid, that is 4 centimeter multiply by 6 centimeter multiply by 8 centimeter. Can you all please multiply this as a volume of this? Can you tell me what will be the answer of volume of metallic cuboid? What will you get if you multiply this all? Tell me faster multiplication you do. Correct. You will get it 192 centimeter cube. Why centimeter cube, beta? Because you are doing right now volume, and volume has the dimension 3 dimensions. So you will be having cuboid, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So you will have centimeter cube. Yes. So the question which we were doing that has volume 192 centimeter cube. बेटा अगर क्वेश्चन होता व्हाट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड तो हमने इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकाला होता. अगर ये क्वेश्चन होता व्हाट शुड बी डिवाइडेड तब भी हम इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन निकालते. बट क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है व्हाट शुड बी एडेड. नाउ यू थिंक ऑन योर माइंड एंड टेल मी 192 में हम ऐसा क्या ऐड करें मींस प्लस में क्या ऐसा ऐड करें जिससे ये नंबर जो है वो एक परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाए. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, पहले हम क्यूब रूट लिख लेते हैं. कितने कितने पता है आपको? पता है कि सबसे पहले 100 आता है, 100 के बाद 125 आता है, 125 ऑफ 5, 5 के बाद आता है 216, 216 6 का होता है ना. वी हैव डन दिस वन. दिस इज ऑफ, just a second, not 10, sorry. This is of 5 cube, this is of 6 cube, 4 cube is 64 and 7 cube is 343. Now you think 192 में हम ऐसा क्या ऐड करें कि जो नंबर है हमारा वो इनमें से किसी एक क्यूब में आ जाए जो उससे क्लोजर हो, बिकॉज यू हैव टू ऐड द मिनिमम वैल्यू. ठीक है, सो नाउ लुक एट हियर प्रॉपर्ली. 5 क्यूब अगर हम लेते हैं तो 125 इससे छोटा हो जाएगा, मतलब हम लेके चलेंगे 216. 216, 192 एंड 216 के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है पहले ये फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. So 216 minus 192, because 192 हमारे पास है, हमें एक नियरेस्ट परफेक्ट क्यूब चाहिए which is 216. So 216 and 192 के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है पहले निकालते हैं. We have the difference of 24. अगर हम इसको 24 दे देते हैं तो ये नंबर बन जाएगा 216 and 216 is a perfect cube number. So it means we can have 24 centimeter cube if we will add into it. It means अगर हम 24 centimeter cube metallic volume अगर हम ऐड कर देते हैं तो हमारा नंबर जो है बेटा वो बन जाएगा 216 centimeter cube the volume, and this is a perfect cube number. ठीक है, it means your answer will be 24. ठीक है, 24 जो आपको ऐड करना था. What should be added? That is 24 should be added. Now the question is also asking कि अगर आपने ऐड कर दिया, ऐड करने के बाद आपको परफेक्ट क्यूब भी मिल गया, so जो नंबर आप ले रहे हैं एट द लास्ट उसका परफेक्ट क्यूब जो अगर आपने लिया तो उसका क्यूब रूट क्या होगा? Can you tell me what is the cube root of 216? Cube root of 216, the number which is newly obtained. What is the cube root of that number? Absolutely right. The cube root of newly number formed will be 6 and 6 centimeter. 216 is a cube of 6 and हम लोगों ने उसको ध्यान में रख करके ही बनाया है. So answer will be 6 centimeter as the side of cube. I hope you have understood this question. Let me ask from you all. Now next question is value based. Question number 11. Question number 11 says that Rohan's father told him that there are 3 numbers whose ratios are 2:3:4. 2:3:4. Okay. And sum of their cube is 50688. Rohan had difficulty in solving the sum, so one of his friends gave him the hint to solve it. Find the numbers. Before I solve this question, I want to tell you this type of question came in exam of 4 marks, I think 3 consecutive years. And I'm telling you, number of mistakes which was done by students was in majority, I can tell you. Reason behind ये जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होता है उसमें कहां पर गलती होती है दैट आई विल टेल यू. ठीक है, and this question is extremely important. You will find this type of question in RS Agarwal as well. And याद रखिएगा ये एक सबसे ज्यादा आने वाला क्वेश्चन है आपके इस चैप्टर से. ठीक है, हालांकि ये वैल्यू बेस्ड में दिया हुआ है बट इसका जो सॉल्यूशन पार्ट है दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हिच इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन इट. सबसे पहले आप देखो इस क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है जो नंबर्स के बारे में बात हो रही है दे आर इन 2:3:4. तो सबसे पहले द नंबर्स विल बिकम 2x 3x and 4x. यहां तक स्टूडेंट्स बिल्कुल सही करते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद ये लिखा हुआ है सम ऑफ देयर क्यूब्स. ठीक है, सम ऑफ देयर क्यूब्स. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, इनके क्यूब्स करते हैं. Can you all tell me what is wrong in it? What I have written, is it right or what I have written it is wrong? Can you please tell me? फटाफट से बताओ what statement I have written that you find it is right or you find it wrong. Okay, Amit says wrong. Shashank said not cube the numbers. Okay, Amit says wrong. Rahul says wrong. Okay, can you please tell me what is wrong in it? Who can relate with it? It means their answer will be right. जो लोग इसको relate करके wrong कह रहे हैं, sure है कि उनका आंसर ये क्वेश्चन का सही आएगा. लेकिन जो इनको right समझ रहे हैं, that means यही एक मिस्टेक का पार्ट है बेटा, जो सारे बच्चों ने किया था एग्जाम में और यहीं पर गलती हुई थी. Let me tell you what is wrong in it. The wrong part is this: it is written sum of their cubes. It is not written that sum of only x cube. And according to our statement, what I have written right now, it is not the cube of both the numbers. It is only saying the cube of x. It means यहाँ पर correct ये तब कहलाएगा बेटा जब हम इसको इस फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. And यही सबसे important part है इस क्वेश्चन का. सबसे ज्यादा important part. यहाँ अगर आपका सही, तो इसके बाद I am knowing that you will be doing it the question very properly. So सबसे पहले हमने ये लिखा. उसके बाद बोल रहा है sum of their cube is 50688. 50688. Sum of their cubes. Now you will be definitely solving this question in a proper way. How we will do that? 2 cube का मतलब होता है, because ये 2 का भी cube है, x का भी cube है. 2 cube का मतलब होता है बेटा x 8. x cube का मतलब होता है x cube only. Then we have next number 3 cube. 3 cube का मतलब होता है 27. X cube will become x cube only. Then we have plus 4 cube का मतलब होता है 64. X cube will be x cube only. This is 50688. Now after adding, because all the numbers are like terms, can you tell me after adding this what you will get? Tell me faster, what will you get after adding this? 99. 99 x cube will be equal to 50688. Now you are knowing 99 x cube means 99 is getting multiplied with x cube, so it will go that side in the form of division. So you will have 50688 divided by 99. Now please solve it and tell me what number will you get. Okay, Shashank has solved it. He is telling ma'am 512 will come. It means when you will divide this number, you will get it 512. It means x cube की value आपको मिल गई 512. Now can you please tell me what will be the value of x if you are having x cube as 512? Okay, 4 answers I have got it. Can you please tell me अगर x cube का मतलब 512 है, तो x का मतलब कितना होगा? Correct answer. Absolutely right, Bhaumik, Suraj and all. Yes, because x is the cube of 512 is the cube of 8, so the value of x will be only 8. So अब हमको मिल गया x, but हमें क्वेश्चन में x नहीं चाहिए था. हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या चाहिए था बेटा? हमें चाहिए था वैल्यू ऑफ नंबर्स 2x, 3x and 4x. तो एक एक करके हम वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा 4 मार्क्स का ही आता है बेटा. ठीक है, तो 2x का मतलब हो जाएगा 2 into 8 which will give you 16. 3x मतलब होता है 3 into 8 which will give you 24. 4x का मतलब होता है 4 into 8 which will give you 32. So our answer would be 16, 24 and 32. And you are knowing क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था कि सारे के सारे इंटीजर्स हैं. तो आप देख सकते हो ये सारे के सारे जो वैल्यूज हमारे पास आई हैं वो इंटीजर के फॉर्म में ही आई है. ठीक है, find the number 16, 24 and 32. Now it is telling what value you find by what value is depicted by his friend. Can you all tell me? His friend has given him help or hint also given for solving this question. Can you please tell me what do you find the value here?